time to wake up.
Meatballs. Giluto. Thank you, dear.
Yes, my love.
Yeah. Meatballs. Very yummy. Nakakaon na yun ko, guys. Kaon ako, guys. Thank you, dear.
Yes, baby.
Very good in cooking, huh?
Why, thank you.
Meatballs.
Mm.
American foods. Rice is life. I'm gonna save this for later. The meatballs.
Oh. There's a lot more left.
Canada Dry.